Now welcome to the project of controlling an RC car wirelessly using your laptop. Now this project is under the mobile computing course at King Fahd University. Guys who worked in this project are Hatem Al-Hamrani, Usama Kosa, and Walid Al-Thabit. Now let's go for the components. You're gonna need a microcontroller, two Zigbee antennas, an XP shield, an XP Explorer, and the RC car. Now the final design will be like this. Now let's go for the procedure. Those are all the components together, and we're gonna start with the Arduino Mega. This is the Arduino Mega. You can use any other type of Arduino, but we use it because we already have it. Now, those pins on the right, the digital pins, we use them to be the output. You will see the code and also the procedure. Now you have to program your microcontroller first, so you need to connect the USB cable. Now after connecting your USB cable, go to your laptop. Now after connecting your Arduino, just press cancel, go to the application, Arduino software, and you will see this. Now just copy and paste the code on the description below, but I already have it, so I'm gonna open it. This is the code. Now it will look like this when you paste it, but you need first to verify the code so that we make sure it's working right. We're waiting for the verifying. It's done. Now you just press on the upload to upload your program. Now, as you can see, I forgot to specify the serial port. You have to do that first, and if you don't do it, this will show, and you have to press OK and choose your serial port. Wait for it, and your microcontroller is ready now. Now, after you programmed your microcontroller, just disconnect it. Now bring the XP antennas and place it on the XP shield. Now you can buy this XP shield from SparkFun or any other stores. Now as you can see here, it does not come with the pins. You need to buy the pins to get them in the holes. Now I did not do that, and I had to solder the pins myself. Now this is how you place the XP shield on the microcontroller on the Arduino. Now this is a switch where you have the USB settings to the up and micro settings to the bottom. Now you need to select the micro settings in order for the Arduino to communicate through the XP. It has to be on the micro settings. And now this is your microcontroller ready and programmed. Now let's go for the car. Now this is my nice Hummer. Now as you can see, I drilled two holes so that the wires can go from the existed microcontroller there to the new microcontroller. Now those two wires are for forward, backward. Those are for right, left, and ground. Now let's open up the car. I'll just cut the opening. Now I'm done opening the car. Now see, when you open the car, you will see the circuit like this, and you have to solder yourself those 5 wires. Now it's not that hard, but try to do a good job in it. Now this is the ground, forward and backward, and the other two are the left and the right. This is the microcontroller, how it looks like, and how you should connect or solder your pins. Now once you have those two ready, place the microcontroller on top of the car. Now you need to connect the wire, obviously. Now it depends on the code itself. You can change the number of pins in the code below and choose your own. Okay. Now this is the last, which is the ground. No, I'm sorry. This one is the last, which is the ground. And we are done here. This is the first part of your project with this power supply. Now let's go for the second part of our project. This is the XP Explorer with the XP antenna on top of it. Just place it like this. Now this is the XP, the cable. Now remember, this is a serial device. The laptop will never recognize it, so you have to download an application or a software that will build a virtual USB. Now in order to do that, just go in the description below and just follow the links. It's pretty easy. Now after you download everything, go to application. I use personally CoolTerm. It's a good software that give you an access to your ports. Now if you're using it, it's pretty easy. You have to go first to the options. Yeah. Now you have to rescan the serial port so that you get your USB port. See, here it's changed, so we just press OK. And after that, you just connect, and now you have an access to your antenna. And you just press anything on the keyboard so that it sends it to the microcontroller. Now for the last part, testing. As you can see, the laptop with the car taped with the 9-volt power supply, so that you just connect it and switch on your car. And you remember, this is what we did previously. Just put it. As I showed you before, you just connect your XP Explorer after you download the software. Yeah, here I'm doing the same thing that I showed you before. Rescan and OK and connect. Now, according to the code, W will go forward and S will go backward, D and A will go left and right. As you can see, I'm playing with my car. Now there's the stop the car and stop turn K and L. You can just play with the car. Now the project is done. You can play whatever you like. And thanks for watching. And I hope you have a good time. If you have any question, please leave it in the comments. Thank you.